People keep saying starting an AI business is hard. It's not. You don't need $10,000. You don't need a big team. And you definitely don't need to grind 12 hours a day. Today, I'm going to show you 3 lazy AI businesses you can set up this weekend. Each one is simple, cheap, and doesn't require any tech skills. And if you actually take action, you could have your first $100 rolling in by Monday. Here's why you should listen. I've built dozens of AI businesses. Some failed, some made money, but I learned one big truth. Success is just about following a lazy system. That system looks like this. Step 1. Find a lazy offer people already want. Step 2. Use one AI tool to create it fast. Step 3. Put it where people can buy it. If you can follow those 3 steps, you can make money online. So let's get into the 3 businesses. Business number 1, AI recipe guides. Food is universal. People are always searching for meal plans, diet guides, and recipe books. You don't need to be a chef, you just need ChatGPT. Here's how it works. Open ChatGPT, tell it to make you a 30-day high-protein meal plan. Copy and paste the output into Canva or Google Docs, add some pictures, export it as a PDF. That's your product. You can sell it for $7 to $10 on Gumroad, Etsy, or even straight from a TikTok bio link. And the best part? Once you create it once, you can resell it forever. That's lazy leverage. You do the work once and it keeps making sales in the background. Business number 2, AI business planners. Here's the problem. Everyone wants to start a business, but no one wants to sit down and write a full plan. That's where you come in. You can use an AI workflow, even just ChatGPT, to generate a step-by-step business plan in minutes. You take that output, format it nicely in a document, and suddenly it looks like you've spent 10 hours writing. You can sell these as custom services for $50, $100 each, or package a few generic templates and sell them on Gumroad for $17. The market is huge because new entrepreneurs are popping up every day, and they all want the shortcut. Business number 3, AI content packs. Every creator on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube has the same problem, coming up with content ideas and captions every single day. AI solves this instantly. You can use ChatGPT to generate 50 TikTok captions for fitness coaches, 50 YouTube titles for gaming channels, or 50 Instagram captions for real estate agents. Package those captions into a PDF or Notion template, slap a $17 price tag on it, and creators will buy it because it saves them hours of brainstorming. This one scales really well because once you have one pack selling, you can make 10 more in different niches. And they all sell on autopilot. Here's the truth. Most people watch videos like this and then do nothing. Lazy is fine. Broke is not. Pick one of these 3 businesses, set it up this weekend, and actually make your first sale. That first sale is the only proof you need that this works. And if you want to know the exact lazy system that fits you, I built a quick quiz. Answer a few questions and it'll tell you which lazy AI business you should start this weekend. At the end, you'll get the templates, workflows, and funnels ready to go. Links in the description.